First, determine if your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max screen freeze is app-specific or system-wide. If only one app is frozen, force quit that app. If the entire system is unresponsive, move to a force restart. If it's an app-specific freeze, force quit the app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and pausing to open the app switcher. Then swipe the frozen app upward to close it. For a system-wide freeze, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This resolves most software glitches. If the screen is still unresponsive, connect your iPhone to a power source. A low battery can sometimes cause freezes. Rule out environmental factors, such as extreme temperatures, which can affect touchscreen performance. Keep your iPhone in moderate conditions. If you've recently exposed your phone to water, check the Water Damage Indicator app to see if there is liquid damage. If issues persist, move to the next section. If a force restart doesn't work, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, iOS 18.2 or later, to patch common touchscreen driver bugs. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. A software conflict with third-party apps may also be the culprit. Consider uninstalling recently installed apps. For possible hardware issues, try running Apple's built-in diagnostics via Siri or in Settings, General, About. If problems continue and your iPhone is under warranty, contact Apple support for a free repair, especially if the issue is a manufacturing defect in the Super Retina XDR display. If the freeze is due to physical damage like a cracked screen, professional repair is required. Remember, unauthorized repairs void the warranty. While AI-driven diagnostics are emerging, manual troubleshooting is often the first step.